To factory reset the Sonos Era 100, the first thing you have to do is to disconnect it from the power. So pull on that plug just right here. And before you reconnect it, you see that Bluetooth button on top. You will press and hold it. So I'm gonna do that this way, and I have to show you the light in front. So I actually hold it, I reconnect it, and on front you will see there is that blinking white light. You're gonna hold the Bluetooth button until it starts blinking amber. Just like that. Now I can release, and the only thing I now have to do is to wait for that light to become blinking green like that, meaning it's ready to be reconfigured. If you need help to reconfigure, see the video on the upper right corner.